Hey Alex, welcome to my channel. And on today's video, I just want to go over briefly where we were fishing and what we were doing exactly. Well, the original plan was to go fish by a small creek, couple hours from my house. But unfortunately, there was a lot of rain, so the water was pretty muddy, and the plan was to fish all day with small jigs and soft plastics. But unfortunately, since the water was so dirty, we didn't have much luck. I believe I caught one fish, and young and fishes had two, I believe, or three. I'm not quite sure, but they were small ones, nothing big like we were expecting. Usually on that area, we do pretty well. We get 2 or 3 pound smallies. Unfortunately, like I said, the water was muddy, and couple of people showed up with minnows, bottom fishermen. So it wasn't it wasn't very pleasant. We were casting, and they were eyeballing us, giving us their looks. So we decided to move on to the closer to a dam nearby that area. And what we were doing is, since the water was dirty, we were using loud baits like crankbaits, rattle traps, and spinners. Well, we had pretty good luck with lipless crankbaits, especially I probably caught over 10 fish within an hour or so, and I missed a bunch of them simply because I haven't changed my hooks since last year, and I do fish the bottom, and they were just dull hooks. And my brother was using crankbait. He did pretty well as well, but that said, to shorten it up, what I was doing was what me and my brother were doing was we were casting right on the current, in middle of the current, and slowly retrieve. And I would what I was doing is, when I cast it in the current, I would slowly retrieve, and my bait will go with the current, and it'll go on the bottom. Once I start feeling the bottom, I'll just tap it, raise it up a couple inches from the bottom, and start retrieving it slowly. And I'll bounce the lure on the rocks, and that's how I was getting my strikes. But like I said, unfortunately, I've been doing that for a while. My hooks were dull. At one point, I hooked up to a big fish, and I was scared that the lure is gonna come out and it's gonna shoot towards my brother. So you guys will see that on the clip. I'm asking my brother to move out of the way, not to be a uh, whatever, I can't think of the word right now. But simply because I was scared, and what I noticed with the Diawa rod is, since it's a lot softer rod, it doesn't load up pretty fast. So I do have to set the hook a little bit harder than my Abu Garcias. But that said, enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and like and share the video. It does help me out a lot. Enjoy the video, guys.
a little baby. Hold on, move, move. Don't move, I'm gonna bring it to you. Hold on.
He swallowed it. Oh my god. Hey, help!
He probably snagged the carp. Good God, he did swallow it.
Were you using lipless?
Yes, sir. 2.13.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Now, for my own entertainment, was it in the current you caught him or was it off the slack?
Current.
Current?
Let me get some more of this. They love the garlic. That's all. They love the garlic.
Well, since your hands are already greasy.
You got it? Nice. Liquid mayhem, baby. Liquid mayhem. I told you.
How many certificates you need for your stuff?
What a man will do for a lure. Another nice one.
About to land the mountain.
Doubled up? Oh, that's a nice one.
Great! Now that's a picture's worth.